Hey beautiful people, I'm La Sequel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trying new hair care products. They're not new to like the world, but they're new to me because I can't get my hands on my holy grail hair products because life. So we're going to try these out. It might go really well or really bad. So I guess we'll see. I have my mirror over here, so if you see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. But I washed my hair. To wash my hair, I used the Herbal Essences Deep Moisture Hello Hydration Shampoo. Yes, I am a shampooer. Whenever I wash my hair, I use a shampoo. Sometimes I co-wash. I don't really like co-washes because I feel like they don't really do anything. It's only when I want to add like moisture to my hair I co-wash. But I am a shampooer, so I use this to shampoo. To condition, I used Aussie Miracle Volume Conditioner. This has with bamboo and Australian kakadu plum. This, and also I mix two conditioners. I usually mix conditioners. I never like use one conditioner in my hair. I always mix them for some reason, but I don't even know this brand.
I hate to say it. I hope I don't sound ridiculous. I don't know who this man is.
But it's Lisa Rachel Castor Oil Thickening Conditioner. Yeah, so I've taken on the habit of leaving some of the conditioner in my hair. Like a few years ago, I was probably like a freshman in college. I watched this YouTube video and this girl said she left her conditioner in her hair as like a leave-in, and I was like, and ever since then I kept doing it and it has made my hair nice, so I'm continuing to do it. The first product I'm going to use is the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk and Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. This is for normal hair. My hair isn't normal, but we're gonna go with it. Shake to activate. Okay, I don't read instructions. Why am I reading the instructions? So we're gonna shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. I think that's activated enough. I'll spray some water on it. Make sure it's saturated. Great. I remember I left some of my conditioner in, so this is just like working in the leftover conditioner that was in my hair. Shake some more. We're gonna spray it. So because this is like that's a spray leave-in, I feel like that's not gonna be enough. So I'm gonna use another leave-in, and I'm gonna use the Organics Originals Olive Oil Leave-In Conditioner with extra virgin olive oil. I'll put some in my hand, like that much. Hope you could see that. Then I'll put it through my hair. This just feels like water too. Like, is the first ingredient water? Yes, first ingredient is water. Water, which is a good thing, but I've always used like thicker leave-ins, so this might turn my hair into just dryness. I added some more because it seems so lightweight, and like my hair is really thick, and I like when I can feel the product in my hair, and right now it just feels like water, and it just looks like water. I'm scared. So now I'm going to use this Eden Body Works Natural Pudding Souffle. This is my sister's own, that's why it looks used, but I've never used it before. And it's this one, and it says moisturize. So let's hope it does that. I don't like to put too much at first because then it can start to build up, and I don't like when my hair is cakey. So I'm only gonna put that much right now, and then I'll feel how it is in my hair, and then just from my fingertips I can tell if I need more product or not. Adding some more. Okay, some type of something. There's no definition, but this didn't say it would define, so I'm just gonna say that's on me, because I don't like how much product I'm putting on this one section right now to try to see something, but it's just to moisturize. So I'm gonna put this on, and then I won't add any more because it's just supposed to moisturize, and then I'll put in my gel and then see if I get some definition or some type of change in it. I'm using 2 different gels today because one's finishing. So I'm gonna finish off my which one is this? My olive oil eco styler, and then I'm gonna use my favorite eco styler ever. Why am I banging? The Curl and Wave eco styler gel. It has less hold than the olive oil one, but for some reason this just works nice with my hair. Let's hope it works nice with these products. But I'm gonna start off with this and I'll end with this. Rake that through my hair. There's some definition. Okay, my hair doesn't feel dry, so that means that moisturizing, whatever the thing was, the natural pudding souffle, it moisturized my hair. So put a little bit more gel. I, for one, love gel, and I don't skimp on the gel because my hair is very unruly. So I make sure that everything is intact, and I make sure I have gel on my roots and my tips, and I just make sure rake everything through. If there's like certain strands that need more love, I do that. So that's how that came out. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, and then I'll probably come back when I'm like up here, because this is a different type of texture up here. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, and then I'll come back when I reach like this area to see how it works on that part of my hair. So yeah. Okay, so now for this part of my hair, it's a different curl pattern, so I'm gonna show what I do. With this part, it's the same thing, but it's just I put less gel on this part of my hair because the curl pattern is looser, and I realize if I put a lot of gel in this section, it just gets hard. But like the back section needs all of that gel to keep it tamed, so I don't put as much product in this middle section of my head. So spray, spray, spray. This is all I'm gonna put in it. I won't go back in the container. This is for this section. And it makes sense. See, the whole hair is saturated already with the product. And there's still some left on my hands. That's how that looks with just those products in it. Now, gel. This is what I'm starting with. A little bit more, like that much. Warm up the gel. You can see how the curl pattern is looser here. It's more of like waves. Okay, now I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair and then I'll be back. So this is how my hair looks after I've worked in all of the products. Yes, I do have bangs, so I'm gonna let it air dry and then I'll come back and show you the finished product and let you know what I think of these new products that I tried. So my hair is now about like 75 to 80% dry. When I said I was going to air dry my hair, I really meant I was gonna sit under the fan for a couple minutes, and I diffused it a little bit. So yeah, if I was to actually let my hair air dry, I'd have to come back in like 3 days. So let's rate these products, shall we? First, we're gonna rate the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Leave-In Conditioner. I'd give this a 5 out of 10. Why? Because it's something, but I don't think it did anything. Like, I put it on my hair and it just felt like water. Like, there was no change in my hair with this. So I'd give it a 5 out of 10 because it wasn't bad, but it just didn't do anything. So it didn't make my hair worse and it didn't make it better. So 5 in the middle. Yes? Okay. Now we're gonna rate the Originals Olive Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I give this a 7 out of 10 because I felt a difference with this. Like, even though it still felt like water, I felt a difference and it wasn't like worse, it was better. So not even a 7, let's give it a 6.5. Would I buy this again? Probably not. Like, if I really need a leave-in conditioner, I'd buy this, but it won't be the first thing I reach for. I won't be buying this again. When this is done, that's it. Now the Eden Body Works Natural Pudding Souffle. This is great. Like, it says moisturize and that's what it did. It doesn't, see, it says soft hold, so it wasn't really to define anything. So if you're looking for something like a curl enhancing smoothie or whatever, this won't do it. Maybe one of their other products will, but this actually moisturized my hair. Like, my hair isn't crunchy or anything, and I think that's because of this. So I'd recommend this and I would buy this again. Now overall, my hair, it doesn't feel too bad, but it has been better. Oh, I didn't rate this. 8 out of 10. So overall, I'd say my hair came out pretty good, but it's not its best. Like, my OG products will make my hair like A1, but this made my hair like C7, you know? So like, it looks nice and I have good definition and it feels soft and moisturized, but it has been better. And I don't know, I guess when my hair is like 100% dry, then maybe I'll see if like it's flaking or anything, but it hasn't flaked. And the fact that like my ends are dry and I can do this and there's no flaking, I think that means it's a good combination. Now, if you like watery leave-ins, I think using those two as a pair will be great. But if you don't, then I wouldn't tell you to go waste your money on that. But it seems like it's a good combo. No flaking. My hair has a good enough volume. It isn't like flat. When I reach like day 3, then my hair will get like bigger, but I'd say overall all of those products together, including like the gel and stuff, I'd give this hair an 8 out of 10. So it's not bad. It'll work. That is all for this video. I have some other hair care products that I bought because you know when you go to the hair store, you don't just buy what you go there for, you buy more. So I bought more hair care products, so I might do a part 2 to this video where I try another set of new products. So look out for that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Turn on that notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video. And remember, live to be the last sequel.